Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the locals JSON storage. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. You can manage the local storage using the browser's local storage or the session storage. So how we are going to do that? This example, store data as a JSON string in a local storage. Like suppose we have a const data, name, John, age 30. And how you can store the data? Local storage dot set item. User data, this is the key and this is your data. Okay, how to retrieve that one? Local storage get item user data. If store data, then parse data, json.parse store data, then get your data. Okay, you use the parse data in your view component, right? We will take an example, right? Using session storage, use all the session storage similar to the local storage, but the data is available only for the duration of the page session, right? Set the data in the session storage. So what exactly it is? Name and this session storage dot set item. Okay, and you can store that with the help of the JSON stringify data. Retrieve data from the session storage. So stored session storage would get item with the help of this. If this, then parse this one and log that parse session data, and you can get the object or get the variable from here. Right? Suppose parse session data dot name dot age, you can get it from here. Okay, let's take an example. So here we have the example. Let's go to our app view component, paste it, save it, and let's go to it. Let me run view serve. Done. Let's reload this. Okay, so by default, if I go to the memory storage, so here we have a local storage. Currently it's empty. When I get save data, user data, this one is saved in the local storage. If I go to the console, retrieve, able to retrieve. Let's go to the code level. So here in the click of the save data, so here we have the save data, so we are setting the item Sarah and the age. Okay, now we are going to retrieve that one. Okay, with the help of JSON parse store data and then log the parse data, so you can see that full object we are coming over here. Okay, if you want to get the name and the age, just put the dot over here, parse data dot name or age dot name, and just do it like this and retrieve data, you will get the name. Okay, so this is how the local storage works. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.